Hello friends, welcome to MB Education YouTube channel. Friends, today in this video I'm gonna share with you about how you can use two different mobile number and two different WhatsApp account in your same smartphone. So friends, there have two ways and I am explaining all the details how you can use those accounts. So let's start. So friends, if you are new in this my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel to get this type of video, technology related video and others video. So let's talk about. So here you can see I am using two different WhatsApp. Okay, here you can see this is one, and here you can see this is another WhatsApp account. I am using two different WhatsApp account. So I recommended you to use modify apps, and also you can use some parallel space account. So let's start to know what is parallel space account. So if you want to use parallel space account, then just go to Play Store and search parallel space parallel space so here you can see the application. The name is the application is parallel space. Just install this app, and after install this app you can use two apps, no, clone apps. You can use clone apps, like if you using one WhatsApp account, just install these apps and make a clone of WhatsApp, and then use this WhatsApp, clone WhatsApp with your another mobile number. So this is the parallel space, and here is some the disadvantages, because parallel space needs high specific mobile, and also if your mobile is normal then your mobile will be hang, and so many problem you can face. So I recommended you to use modify WhatsApp account, and that I am using, and I will explain this because they have some advantage you can use. And so let's now talk about the modify WhatsApp account. So this is the original WhatsApp account. WhatsApp, I installed it from Google Play Store, and now this is the modified WhatsApp account. So the name of this WhatsApp apps is GB WhatsApp. So this WhatsApp have some advantage, and I am explaining that because here you can see in normal WhatsApp account you cannot get this type of options. You can see they have lots of option. Here you can see custom charts, message schedule, broadcast message in a group, new broadcast, and so many features you will get there in this application. And the most important is GB setting. Here you can use this application, and you can set a automatic replay message, and you can there you can see this message schedule option. That means you can schedule any message to your friend, like your friends, today's your friend's birthday. You can send your friend's birthday wishes when you are busy with your work, and you are working another thing. So you can see you can schedule this, and also you can broadcast message to group, lots of group in one time. You can send maximum 252 groups using this broadcast message to group option. So I am using this WhatsApp because they have lots of advantage. So now check where you will find out this application. So go to the Google, and you have to go to my website, my digital group dot triple o. Okay, wait friends. So here friends, you can see the domain name is mydigitalgroup.triple-o. Just visit this website, and I will make a post after this video, and I will give the link of this software where you can download from this, and just visit my website and download the apps from the post, and I will explain all the details here. And so friends, this is the way. Make sure if your phone is high specification, then you can use parallel space, but your phone is normal, yani 1 GB RAM and normal, then you can use this GB WhatsApp. This is the amazing application, and you can see the most important that there are new features like broadcast schedule and so many options. And okay, so friends, just go to the my website link and my digital group.tipolo and install the app right now. Okay friends, take care, and also subscribe my YouTube channel to get this type of video like technology or application related videos. So friends, take care, bye bye, see you next time.